guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, magluluto po tayo ng isa sa aking mga paboritong dish, ang chickenlomi. Here are the ingredients. Fresh pancit lomi, shredded chicken, fish balls, onions, garlic, and here we have snow peas, cabbage, carrots, egg, cornstarch, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 chicken bouillon. Before I begin cutting the vegetables, pinakuluan ko na yung chicken para lumambot siya. I added 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor of the chicken. And once tender na siya, you can set it aside and let it cool down. And then you can use a fork to shred it. In a pot, let's put 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once mainit na po yung oil, ilagay na natin yung onion. And let's just mix it and let it cook for, let's say, 15 seconds. And then we can add the garlic. Again, halu-haluin lang po natin hanggang sa maluto siyang maigi. Then let's add salt and pepper para mas ma-enhance yung flavor ng onion and garlic. And then haluin lang natin siyang maigi. Now let's add a shredded chicken. Isama na rin natin yung buto para pangpadagdag din siya ng flavor ng broth. And let's just mix it well. Then let's add a dash of salt and pepper para mas lumabas yung flavor ng chicken. Then, let's add the fish balls. Haluin lang natin siya para maluto siyang maigi. Now, let's add the water. It's about 3 to 4 cups of water, and I also add the chicken broth kung saan ko pinakuluan yung chicken. Since the chicken is already cooked, we'll just let it boil for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, pwede na nating ilagay yung chicken bouillon at haluin lang natin siyang maigi. Ngayon, pwede na natin ilagay yung fresh pancit lomi. Halu-haluin lang natin siya para mag-separate yung mga noodles. And since we use fresh pancit lomi, we just have to let it cook for about 2 minutes. And now we can put our vegetables. And now let's mix it all together. Now let's add the beaten egg. And haluin ulit natin siyang maigi. In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a half cup of water and mix it well. Add the mixture little by little, and it depends on your preference. If you want the soup more thicker, then you can add some more. And kung gusto nyo pang dagdagan ng konting alat, you can add more patis or salt to taste. This is how I want my soup. As you can see, the consistency is not too watery and it's not too thick. And syempre, kung pasok pa sa inyong budget, you can put quail eggs and green onions for garnish. There you have it, guys. I hope you like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Happy cooking!